Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3. In that third sum, 7 subdivision, let's see the question. In an AP, given A equal to 8, AN equal to 62 and SN equal to 210, we need to find N and D. Here AN and SN are in the formula. So we just substitute the formula for AN and SN. SN formula, you know that n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am just writing it side by side so that you can see it, see the sum at a time. Now Sn we know that it is 210, n we don't know, so n will be n by 2. 2a is a we know as 8 plus n minus 1 we don't know, and even d we don't know. Just multiply this number. I am bringing 2 to this side, it comes as a divide. So, sorry, multiply. As it is in divide, it comes as a multiply. Equal to n into here. 8 2s are 16 plus n minus 1 into d. Before solving this, let us solve this. Now we know the value of an is 62. I am just substituting the value of an as 62 equal to a we know as 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Here bring 8 to this side, it comes as a subtraction because it is in addition over here. So 62 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Subtract this, I get 54 equal to n minus 1 into d. What I am going to do is, I know further this I can't solve it, but we know that n minus 1 into d is equal to 54, and here we have n minus 1 into d. Instead of n minus 1 into d, I can substitute 54 to this side so that it will be easy for me to solve, and I can easily find n. So here it becomes 420 into n into 16 plus 54 as n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. I am just substituting the value over here because here we have n minus 1 into d. Now solve this. 420 equal to n into, here it becomes 70. I am bringing 70 to this side, it comes as a divide. So 420 divided by 70, 0 0 get cancelled, 7 6 are 42. So my n value will be 6. So we have found n to be 6 and we need to find d. Just substitute the n value over here. So substitute n is equal to 6 in, I'll write this equation to be 1 in equation 1. So 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 into d. Bring 5 to this side. So 54 divided by d. Further we can't solve this, sorry, 54 divided by 5. Further we can't solve d, we can't cancel it. So your d by n value is equal to 6 and your d value equal to 54 divided by 5. This is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.